Roofs that are not waterproofed will leak. You will find that tile roofs that are not waterproofed and painted regularly will start to break and the tiles will crack. Insufficient and failing waterproofing will cause tiles to separate. Failing waterproofing on the roof will cause water to leak into the roof. Mold growing in your roof as a result of the damp foaming inside the roof. The occupants will fall ill. Repairs on the roof will be expensive. The owner prevails a strict maintenance plan on his property. Tremco's maintenance team is called out every 5 years when his guarantee expires. It is easy to tackle small repairs on a roof, and replacing of waterproofing material is a breeze. Work that was done. Using a high-pressure hose, Tremco's expert maintenance team cleaned the roof of all dust and debris. Waterproofing and barge boards were replaced where necessary. A fresh coat of quality UV-resistant paint finished the task. This waterproofed and painted roof will now not only add to the property's aesthetics but is good to serve its purpose for the next 5 years. The occupants can rest assured that they will be protected from the element. A new certificate on the roof covering all material and workmanship was issued by Tremco. The guarantee is for 5 years. Visit site https://tremco.co.za or call 0732708 270.